The chalkboard behind you says, see it, be it, do it.
Yes.
How does that relate to visualization?
Yeah, it's the way I explain the three most basic steps to visualization. See it, know what it looks like, and be able to describe it in detail. For example, if you wanted to have a certain car, great, what color is it? What year is it? What model is it? What color is the interior? Is it cloth or leather? What's going to be your favorite music playing on the stereo when you're flying down the road in it? And make it real, be able to see it. And then be it means you need to become the person that you need to be to not only be able to enjoy it or achieve it, but also to attract all of the right people into your life to help you to become the right person you'll need to be to achieve it, and to also see the opportunities as they present themselves. And so many people, they talk about you and I, oh, you're lucky. No, we just became the people we needed to be to recognize the opportunities. For you to be a part of the first Jamaican Olympic bobsled team. For me to find the love of my life. And we recently celebrated our 13th anniversary.
Nice,
so it's not lucky. We became the people we needed to be. Our antennae went up to be able to see and feel the opportunities. And then the third part, do it, is get off your buns and take the actions necessary to get there. You went through, you're an Olympian. I mean, you are the elite of the elite athletes. You didn't just wake up one day as an Olympian. You did everything you needed to do. Myself as a speaker, I've done everything I've needed to do to be invited at both ends of the country. I've spoken on stages at both ends of the country. That's not luck. We put in the work. But we've also become the right people to be able to see the opportunities to take action on.